The Bullworker Bow Classic 36 offers outstanding convenience for home fitness, as it requires absolutely no assembly and is ready for a workout straight out of its included carrying case. It effectively utilizes the principles of isometric contraction to help build muscle and increase strength at an accelerated rate compared to traditional lifting. Its versatile design includes 5 interchangeable springs, allowing users to adjust the resistance level anywhere from 0 to 150 pounds for a challenging yet low-impact workout. This single device is remarkably versatile, enabling a comprehensive full-body workout that effectively targets all major muscle groups from your chest and back to your arms and abdominals. Excellent craftsmanship is evident in its durable aluminum construction, smoothly operating coated springs, and comfortable, ergonomic handles designed for a secure grip. The Bullworker comes complete with comprehensive exercise guides and wall charts, providing you with the knowledge to perform dozens of effective movements right away.